His loving thoughts about you outnumber the grains of sand on the earth. I'm a trial lawyer. And so what I do is that we take somebody's case, and I'll go into Tarrant County or Dallas County, all across the state of Texas and Oklahoma, and I'll try to convince juries of a particular story that I believe is true. And so you got to support it with evidence. And I'm looking at this. He loves me and has more loving thoughts about me than there are grains of the sand. All right, what does that look like? Well, I looked it up in Tiger Algebra, Solution Scientific Notation Solver. And that's what the number looks like. That's how many times he thinks loving thoughts about me. You can't even, then I had to ask some smart person what that even means. And here's how you say it. 7 quintillion, 500 quadrillion grains of sand. That's how much is out there. Okay. So then I think, all right, so he's going to think that much about me. It still doesn't help me a lot. I think, well, let's just say you're going to live 100 years. If you live 100 years, that means you're going to live, let me count it, 3,154,000,000,000 seconds. So now I'm just going to do a little math division. I was horrible at math, so I asked my daughter. And so God, when you divide the amount of seconds you have to live, if you live to 100, and you divide that into the amount of loving thoughts he has about you, God has more than 3.2 billion precious thoughts about you every second of your life. Before the words leave my mouth, when I say God is love, before they leave my mouth and get to your ears, he's already thought 3.2 or more than 3.2 billion precious thoughts about you.